So today I have a makeup tutorial to share with you guys, and the concept of this makeup look is a daily Instagram makeup. So I usually don't wear makeup on a day-to-day basis, but the concept of this look has been whenever I need to go out and I know that I'm going to be taking photos that I'm going to upload to Instagram, I created this look. I also posted a photo with this makeup look recently to Instagram and you guys really liked it, so this is the makeup tutorial for that photo. Also, if you guys noticed the super cute jewelry I'm wearing in this video, I'm wearing my current favorite pair of earrings and also this super cute choker. Thank you so much to Luisa for sponsoring this video and making it possible. They sent me a bunch of goodies in this super cute packaging, and I'm just going to unbox this with you guys and show you guys all of the stuff that I've got. So Luisa is a jewelry brand based in New York that features everyday luxury pieces, and most of their items are 14K gold, and they're all individually handcrafted pieces at a really good price point, including a 1-year warranty on each piece. So the ones that I'm wearing today are the Leah small silver hoops, the mini 14K gold ball earrings in white, and also the medium ball chain necklace in silver. And I've been wearing this combination of these two silver earrings on my Instagram recently. I really love these earrings. I like the look of hardware in jewelry, so I like how they're a little bit thick, but they're still dainty at the same time. There's just this extra little glint of silver in the hair, and it really adds a little bit to the outfit. And for the yellow gold pieces, I have the onyx layered necklace set in Ava, and also the 14K gold ball earrings in mini sphere yellow. I mentioned before that I've been really into gold jewelry recently, and it's been trending on Instagram, so I have just been really loving it, especially ones that have really dainty chains. I really like pieces with versatility, so I like that this layered necklace comes with 3 necklaces that you can sort of mix and match with. I can wear them separately, or I can mix and match them with other necklaces for my wardrobe. And actually, I also like to wear these necklaces flipped over, so I have the choice of wearing them front facing or on the back, because I like the designs on both the front and the back, so I think it just adds more versatility to this piece. If you guys are interested in checking them out, I have a coupon code for 10% off your orders, and you can find a link below in the description box to check out their website. And with that, let's get started with our makeup. So first I'm going to wake up and brighten the skin with a toner and essence-soaked pad. Recently, I've still been trying out the Lazy Day moisture pads from Peach & Lily, and I've been liking them more and more for makeup prep because it just helps to refresh the face before I start putting on my makeup. Next, I'm going in with a moisturizer, and this is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist from Tatcha, and I've used this with you guys for a lot of videos because I find that for foundations that are more on the matte and dry side, having this underneath the foundation makes it look much more natural and super pretty. Then to also prep my lips, I'm using a moisturizing lipstick from Ofra Cosmetics as a base. This one is super hydrating, and it's got a little bit of a red tint too. So for this time, I'm going to start with the eyes first, since one of my shadows I'm using in particular has a bit of fallout and I don't want it to get all over my foundation. So starting off with a warm toned brown eyeshadow, I'm just adding a little bit of definition into the outer corner of my eyes and elongating the eye shape. And the color that I'm using to do this is the color Lure from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism eyeshadow palette. Then with the same color, I'm also blending this into the lower lash line as well. With the light gray shimmery eyeshadow, I'm just using my fingers to pat this onto the entire lid. And the color that I'm using is the color Grip from my Urban Decay Vice 4 eyeshadow palette. Then switching over to a pencil brush, I'm going into a shimmery dark eyeshadow and applying this to the outer half of my lid, staying just below the crease. And the eyeshadow that I'm using is again from my Urban Decay Vice 4 palette, and this is the color Low. To top off the eyes, I'm using a roll-on shimmer from NYX, and using a brush, I'm tapping this onto the inner part of my lids and onto the inner corners of my eyes. I really love this shimmer because it looks so beautiful in the sunlight, and I love how the light shifts through the glitter when it catches the sun. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm using a mascara and I'm putting this on without curling the eyelashes. I'm fanning out the eyelashes in an outward direction to make the eyes look a little bit more dough-like. So going back to the face, I'm first going to prime with the Replenishing Face Primer from Too Faced. And for our foundation, because this was meant to be a daily look, I decided to use a compact foundation for quick and easy application. And it's been years since I've used a compact, and I've been really loving this one from Huxley because it's so fast to apply. It's got a pretty nice amount of coverage, so I love how quick and easy this is to use. I don't even have to layer this up to get the coverage that I want. This pack has more of a matte finish, so I prefer to use a hydrating moisturizer and primer as a base, as I've showed you guys, so that it doesn't cling onto my dry spots. As much as I love how this looks, I will say that I don't think this is a very long-lasting foundation. I find that throughout the day, it does start to like crease and kind of wear off. So I wouldn't pick this pack for a long day, but I think for easy, quick, lazy days, this is perfect. Then to warm up the face, I'm going into a pinky cream blush. And the one I'm using is the convertible color in Petunia, and this is from Stila. And I talked a bit about this with you guys in my most recent favorites video, so if you guys care about seeing a review on this, you guys can go check that out too. Then to finish off the look, I'm topping off the lips with a medium toned pink lipstick, and this one is from Bare Minerals. And that's it for this video. I think the funnest part of this makeup look was seeing how it looked in different lighting and taking a lot of photos and videos because I was just so obsessed with how the glitter looked underneath the sun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and thank you again to Luisa for sponsoring this video and making it possible. Don't forget to check out my link below if you guys are interested, and thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time.